Yo, this is like a champagne color. Nice, nice, nice. Fast and Furious. More GTRs. Oh, this boy's stancy. Look at that. Ooh, clean. I have no idea what that is, to be honest. I'm not gonna even pretend. Oh, this is Dye's? That looks like Dye's R35. I think. Wow. All right, let's keep going. We got 32. Oh, Mr. Dye, see? Your car? Hi, yeah. This is Mr. Dye. Nice kid, yeah. We're gonna walk around 32. Oh, that's hard. That's hard. That is hard. Gosh dang, look at that. Carbon everything. So freaking clean. Look at this fitment. R33. Wow, dude. Proxys R1R. Jeez, dude. The quality of these cars here, and this is just like a regular car meet. Carbon fiber. Jeez. I found the owner. He's gonna show us the magic under the hood right now. It's on air ride, obviously. Ooh. Wow, that is clean. I know it's a little bit loud here, guys. This is clean. Wow. Oh, I'm in the shadow. Dude, you guys, if you see this in person, you'd understand what I'm saying. This is ridiculously clean. How much horsepower?
550.
Oh, 550 horse. That's pretty good. HKS turbo upgrade. Okay. Yeah, I see that the filters there. Nice. Very cool. RWB. Wow, dude. So awesome. More RWBs. Ooh. Ooh. Hot, hot, hot. Damn, boy. Scraping. Mr. Brian.